Hello! Today at Toddler and Early Years STEM, we looked at the layers of the sea and we also looked at where the pipes in the sea are. And all those pipes go right under the sea, just like what you're trying to do.
Very good. At this, see, the small side. What goes in the big side?
What do you think they might carry in these pipes? Do you think that they might carry water in the pipes? We thought of the various things the big pipes under the sea could carry, and we realized it couldn't be water. Then we looked for other things at the bottom of the sea. Using a magnetic wand, we pulled out some paper clips, which was very interesting to find.
Can you cut them? Can you see? Let's line them up.
Did you find all four?
Count them?
Yes. Okay. Then we created a whirlpool by stirring the magnetic wand in the water with all the boats and the conkers and everything else in the water, which was lots of fun. Oh yes, that looks like a big soup. Is that a boat soup?
You put the crab on a boat? You gonna hold it?
Drop it in?
Yeah, hold it, it's a bit heavy.
Whoa, it's a big splash. Big splash. Yeah, and now drop it in. Whoa, big splash. We ended the session with a big splash. Thank you for watching Toddler and Early Years STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye.